Today I'm in Frederick, Maryland at somewhere I haven't been in quite some time. I'm at Emporium Antiques. Wow, talk about a jewelry box. Check that thing out. Little compact. That's sweet. $10 on that. Ooh, I like the check situation. This is Tiffin, actually. That's interesting. Wouldn't have guessed that. This is check for sure. 45 on that. This is so pretty. Look at this. Wow, that's really fun. Base nicks. It's got a couple nicks on it. 22. It's a really fun shape. And check this out. Wow, that is fantastic. $38 with the stars on it too. It's a little close for resale, but really fantastic piece. Big old Bakelite bracelet. That one's at $65. Some really nice jewelry in here. Look at the Venetian glass Murano style earrings. Those are fabulous. Oh wow, look in here. All the micro mosaics. That's so sweet. $20 on that brooch, $18 on the earrings. I do see that a few of them, the ones I can see the prices on, they have a few things missing. Look at these. Those are beautiful, very regal. Whoa, look at these paperweights. That Murano one is gorgeous. That one's as is. This one's Chinese, actually. An older Chinese bow. I love the vintage glasses. I have such a thing for vintage glasses, and the marble dominoes box back there is really fun. Now this is something that requires a little bit more attention. It's $45. It says signed. It's got a really special look to it. I think I'm actually going to take a look in there. Wow, they've got some beautiful things. I love the cameos, especially the one on the right side there. Looks like it's got opals in it. Speaking of epic, look at this Polish cat. How fantastic. That's at $68. That's a little bit, it's probably about what I get for that after fees. Right on the money. A lot of Polish pottery, but obviously that cat is my favorite. So the paperweight is actually a levee. I thought it could be a Lundberg almost, but I think I have a thing for levee. For $45, so I'm gonna leave it. Some super fun bracelets. I love these vintage stretch ones. $15. I had one recently. It didn't sell for as much as I thought it would. This is a really fun one. How much do they have on this? $5. Well, I'll take that for $5. And then the other one, oh, I'm stuck here. Hold, stand by. The other one I'm looking at is the red, white, and blue striped one. That's really fun. How much do they have on that? $7. I'll take that one. And there's one more in here. It's this lucite moon glow one. I think that said $3. It did. So I'm gonna take all three of those. Stand by. More fabulous jewelry. I love the lizard brooch. And then here, that Bakelite carved is gorgeous, but definitely spendy at $275. Speaking of which, look at those Native American sterling lizards. Those are fabulous. They're at $190 each. Such great color. And that turquoise, oh my gosh, the butterfly. This is such a great lamp. Oh my gosh. So fun. I love the shade on that. $295. Very cool. Oh my gosh. The perfumes. Oh, I thought it was gonna say $10 on the what's it called? The dog, the German dog. It's not. That one's at $35. And then what about the lady? She's at $46. Wow, even at $35 on the dog perfume, that's actually not a bad price. Those are really hard to find, especially with the stoppers. And Leah Stein, a French artist. Oh man, you don't see these often. Unfortunately, they know exactly what they have. It's at $125. I love all the trinkets in this case, especially this enamel over copper pendant and the cat ring holder. These are so fun. I'm really into these like little Staffordshire. I think they're Staffordshire. Bannel marked sheep. I'm not sure what's going on there. 22 though. And the Pluto Nodder, that's really fun. Can't see the price on it. All the mahjong tiles. How neat. $2 each. That would be great for crafting. Holy cow, look at this perfume bottle. Whoa. What even is that? Lundberg. There you go. $400 on that. And oh my gosh, look at this vase. Holy cow. I can't tell if that starts with a 5 or a 1. Canon Ingrid vase. Wow, that is amazing. What does that say on that tag? I'm so invested in this. All right, so it looks like it comes to, it's $380, and it looks like there's a couple online for $250. But look at this. Fenton one-of-a-kind butterfly vase. Oh my gosh, I thought that was ceramic at first until I saw the butterfly and the inside, that opalescent. That's amazing. That's at $500. Very special though. Speaking of special, check out that giant Horrend nude. Oh my God. Dude, look at the paperweight situation in here. They're incredible. They're also very, very expensive, and they're not wrong. Look at the baccarat. Oh my gosh, look at, and this one with the candy striping. What is that? It looks like a staff. Oh no, it says Scranton. Wow, I don't know, but it's really pretty. Like, look at this one. Perthshire. Oh my gosh, look at this one. These are amazing. What a collection. Right, and there's more. This perfume's really pretty. That's at $20. Probably an import. I like the black satin glass one. That's only $10. That one looks Venetian with the blue. And then here, Caithness. Oh, the Karg is cool. Yeah, that's signed. That's at $20. That's a good deal. What about this one? This egg. That's kind of unusual, and it's signed too. That's really different. It's also $15. Skeletal speckled egg signed paperweight. $15. Looks like it says 1973. I think I'm gonna get that. I'm not gonna think too much about that at that price. And then what about this one? Now I'm like double checking everything. This one's at $15. That one's also signed. Lee, 98. $15. I think I'm gonna get both of those. And now that I'm thinking about it, this black satin glass perfume bottle, it's $10. I kind of feel like, why not? Make sure there's no weird smells in it. Nope. I'm gonna take that as well. Talk about paperweights. Holy cow. I'm kind of noticing that there's a few random paperweights in there that seem underpriced. I also see this giant egg one back there. This one's $25. That's really interesting. Egg hole, $39. Hold on, I need a key. And plot twist, it's 20% off. So this is Eckholt, $60 and 20%. This is a Karg, just as I suspected. That's a really neat one. Another Eckholt, $40. And Eckholt, $40, all 20%. Then there's a couple mystery ones that I'm not familiar with. This perfume bottle was $30, I couldn't resist. And this one is really different. Strong, 87, $20 and 20%. Can't really But this is kind of my second favorite. That one's my favorite, but this one's really different. David Van Noppen. Cool. Well, that was an unexpected epic haul. Speaking of epic, look at this cat painting. $2,600. Oh my God. Look at this. 6-piece left-in condiment set, but they have the cats on them. That's really interesting. I wouldn't have guessed that's left-in. I know the mouse is, but I feel like those are different. Maybe not. There's only 2 cats in there, and that's kind of common, so I'm gonna leave it behind at that price, but very neat. The biggest chunk of what I'm assuming is amber back there on that necklace. Fabulous. Oh my gosh. I love this little sheer number. So cute. This booth has some interesting things in it too. I'm particularly into that rainbow striped paperweight. I'm a little curious about it. It's $32. Damn, look at that. It looks really well done. And the little Santa Claus, what I believe to be a compact. It's definitely a mirror. Gosh, that's cute. Amazing Victorian case. That pin cushion though, that's everything. I think that says not for sale. See, I just love stuff like that, especially this French half doll head. That's so fabulous. $159, that's like something I would have on my vanity. And this little gentleman in here with the top hat, the bisque guy, he's fantastic. I wonder if that's German. It looks German. Oh, look at the cat. Hey, check those out. Those raccoons. They look familiar. It's pigeon forge, that's why. They look a lot like Anderson design. More super fabulous jewelry. Love everything happening in this case. The sailor stuff, oh my gosh, I love nautical, vintage nautical. Here though, check that out, $80. The Limoges set. Insert the showstoppers. The Murano dancers, oh my gosh. They're fabulous, larger size than I usually see too. They do not come cheap. I do believe that it looks like about $1,000. And all the portraits, oh my gosh, hand painted. They're so gorgeous. I love the frame on that gilded one back there and the one with the rhinestones. There's a decanter back there. I think it says $129. It looks really important. Looks like a one-eye Hager cat. Royal Hager cat, missing an eye, well loved. 48 on that, that's fantastic. And I was so focused on the decanters, I completely missed these perfume bottles. That one's at $245, which is definitely steep. Wow. $145 on that. Something tells me with the prices that that doesn't start with the 1. Or if it starts with the 1, it's not 3 digits. But I can't help but stop thinking about it. I think I'm gonna get a key out. It honestly looks like a Perthshire or something. Strathard, I'm not sure. There's something really different about it though. Okay, but also look at this girl. She's fantastic with the mailbox. Whoa. I'm still waiting to get into the booth with the decanter, but oh my God, I love these shoes. Well, the decanter was as fabulous as I thought, and yes, it was $129. Unfortunately, it had an internal crack. That's why, oh, that's cobalt. I thought it was black at first. I did decide to stop back at this booth one last time before I checked out, because they have such amazing things, and did really well. It's funny. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say I left the other card and it's gone already, but it's not. It's still here. $20. That's such a good deal. I feel weird leaving it, but I'm about to go on the road and I don't like it as much as the ones I found. This is fabulous. Oh, the tables. How did I miss those? Well, that was a deal. I spent $255 in there. How epic. I will see you guys tomorrow. That concludes my shopping trip for the day.